In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict access in Google Sheets. By the end, your spreadsheet will be locked down so only the right people can open it, even if someone forwards the link. Start by heading to Google in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you juggle personal and work profiles. Your access settings apply to the account you're using right now, so it's worth a quick check before you continue. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. When it opens, look for the Sheets app and click it. That takes you to Google Sheets, where you can see your recent files and templates. Open the spreadsheet you want to protect. If you store sensitive data, like budgets or client reports, confirm you've selected the correct file. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner and click the Share button. This opens the sharing window, which is where all access controls live. In the sharing window, you'll notice two key areas: a list of people who currently have access and a section labeled General Access. General Access controls what happens when someone has the link. If it's set to anyone with the link, that means anyone who gets that URL can open the file, which isn't ideal for private documents. If you're on a work or school account, you might also see an option that allows anyone in your organization to view or edit. To fully lock it down, open the General Access drop-down and select Restricted. Restricted means the link by itself won't grant access. Only people who are specifically added to the file can open it. Existing collaborators keep the level of access you've already given them, like viewer, commenter, or editor, but new people won't get in just by having the link. This is the safest setting when you want to prevent accidental sharing outside your intended audience. After choosing Restricted, click Done to save your changes. You'll return to the sheet, and your new setting takes effect immediately. From now on, if someone without permission tries to open the link, they'll see a Request Access screen instead of your data. That's all it takes to restrict access in Google Sheets. If you ever need to confirm the setting later, just click Share again and look at the General Access section. Keeping sensitive files on Restricted is a simple, reliable way to make sure your information stays in the right hands. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to secure your spreadsheets.